What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. So today I'm going to show you guys how to remove roller blinds. Very easy and straightforward. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this is the roller blind that we're going to be removing today. It's a standard roller blind. As you can tell, it has the chain on one side. That's what moves the blinds up and down. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this one here. The first thing we need to do is remove the chain itself. So just that little section that holds the chain into the wall. I'll just be using a power drill to remove this. It's a Phillips head screw. Back that out and that simply pops out. Now that we have the chain freed up, we can simply remove the top section. If you have a look on the top, you'll see that one side is where the chain mechanism goes to. That's not the side that we need to remove. We need to remove it from the other side. So depending on the style of the roller blind that you have, generally the more expensive ones will have a little mechanism up on top that you can actually turn either way, and that'll release the locking mechanism over here. With this one here, unfortunately it's the cheaper version, still just as easy to remove. You can see that's the plate for the bracket, and as I push that back out of the way, you can see there's a little pin there, and that's that locking pin that locks this whole thing into place. So the only thing we need to do is use a flathead screwdriver, and what we're going to do is hold the blind with one hand, and then we're going to simply pry that little pin straight back. And you can see there it simply pops back out. This one here is spring loaded. So as you can tell, as I push it back, that is spring loaded. So if I wanted to put this back in, simply pop back in place and that holds into position. So like I said, hold it with one hand, remove that spring loaded pin straight back like this, and then you can simply pull that out to the right and your vertical blind is now removed. Once again, to reinstall it, put the left side in first. Then once again with our screwdriver, we can push that spring loaded pin, lock it back into position, and that's ready to go again. So guys, hopefully this video has helped a few of you out there. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.